One of the things that we cover this chapter is the idea of light and how does light relate to the atom. So the next idea that we're going to think about here is how do we connect energy inside of atoms and element identification with that energy. So I've got a couple of different light samples here, and when we first look at these samples, I've got like a purple light here, and I've got an orange light here. What is it that makes that light purple? What is it that makes this light orange? Is everything inside of this orange? Is everything inside of this purple? So one thing that happens here in science is a lot of our light, when it appears colored to us, is not simply going to be one particular color emitted all the time or every wavelength. Colors of light can also be combinations of different types of color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape a refraction filter over my lens on my camera, and we're going to see if the light colors appear any different. These are also just 3D glasses, so this is what I'm going to put over the lens in my camera. Let's see what happens. I just need to get one more piece of tape. When I turn on the first switch, notice that that purple light is no longer all purple. If I spread it out, I can see different colors of light present in here. I can see really bright bands, especially if I look in the lighter portion, not the immediate imprint, but the one to the right. I see a really bright red light. I can see a bright kind of greenish blue light, and I see a really bright blue light here. So it is possible that that red and blue light are mixing together to make that purple light. What is it about that light combination that gives us the overall color? Let's look at the orange light. Looking at the pumpkin, it was originally orange in color, but if you look off to the sides, notice that this is a combination. It's a combination of green, yellow, and red lights to give us that orange color. So if we have different types of waves present, what does that tell us about the atom? Are all atoms going to be made up of the same material? How come the orange light does not give the same colors off as the purple light? Things to think about in this demonstration when you see those colors. Now, you're going to see a demonstration in the future that looks really similar to this, but when we start putting this demonstration in the next video, we're going to start putting together a new model of the atom and explaining it. And we will eventually discuss what is inside of this gas tube that's purple and what's inside of the pumpkin light that is orange.